Hello guys, welcome back to another mukbang video. Today we're not going to be doing any fast food. Instead, I actually saw something that caught my eye when I was going to my nearby 7-Eleven, and that is this Mexican rice and bean burrito. Yeah, so from the image it looks pretty good. There are eggs, beans, and maybe, I don't know, there's meat inside. So anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna do a short little video eating this and just, yeah, never tried this before, so let's just try it out. This actually came out to, it came out to, if I'm not wrong, $3, so quite affordable. Yeah, so let's give it a shot. Okay, so it slides out just like this. It's smelling pretty good. There's some, reminds me of a Mexican burrito, but the thing is, I've never tried Mexican burritos before. Don't flame me on this. I've not even tried like an authentic quesadilla before, but this would be what I expect a Mexican burrito to smell like. Alright, so digging in. Oh, it's piping hot. My god, okay. There's a good amount of tomato sauce. And if I think there's like some cheese too. They said rice and beans, so I expect to see some beans soon. But you can see the rice though inside. It's pretty good. And there's a kick too, and really hot right now. I think a decent amount of filling for $3. There's quite a lot of rice and tomato sauce so far. I've not seen any beans as of yet. We'll dig in and see if we can find any beans. Our first kidney bean. Overall, a pretty good wrap, honestly. I like the material of the wrap itself. Very soft. I would have liked to see some cheese. So far I don't see any cheese. It's mostly just rice, beans, and tomato sauce. You can see this side is so dark in color. This side is so light. All the stuff are in here. Not a lot of meat too. I think it's vegetarian. The rice is some yellow rice. I presume you could find this in like Indian food, you know, the yellow rice, or Thai food. It's not bad overall, but would like to have some meat like chicken or beef would be good. And the flavor of the wrap actually stays like mostly the same throughout. Quite filling, I would say. Honestly, I'm getting flavor fatigue very fast. It's insane. The first few bites are good, but when it is like the same flavor throughout the entire wrap, it just doesn't taste like that good anymore, honestly. Yeah, I mean, it's just the same thing. I don't think I'll be finishing this, but yeah. Don't try this, honestly. Don't try this. For $3, I'm starting to think this is not really that worth it. No protein whatsoever, the flavor is exactly the same throughout the entire wrap. 7-Eleven, do better. I mean, yeah, so if you like this video, like and subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and comment on what you want to see next in the next videos. Bye bye.